Been calling me. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today I am stuffing my March 19th paycheck. Let's just jump right. Oh, let's not jump into it. Look at it. Okay, so I know last video I was all like, oh my god, I want to start getting my nails done because I can't do them myself. But look at this, I did this. Like me. Anyway, let's jump into the video. I'm gonna start off with my cash envelopes. So we do have some leftover money today. So let's empty groceries. Alright, so groceries has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and $32 left. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And grocery gets 100. Ooh. All right, grocery gets $125. Okay, so 125. Hope y'all are having a good week. Daylight saving time has been messing me up a little bit, y'all. I don't like that. I really don't appreciate that. But all right, so this is groceries. Next one we have is personal, which is my name right here. Last week I said I won't be emptying my personal envelope. I'll just be rolling it over. But I do want to take out any ones that I have in there. I don't know. I feel a little guilty not taking anything out. So I decided I'm going to take out the ones that any ones and probably fives. I don't know yet because 5 is kind of a lot. But I'm gonna take out any ones to give to my $1 challenge. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're gonna take that out, put that to the side. So we're just gonna stuff this. Personal gets $75. We're just gonna put that in. We're not necessarily keeping track of how much money is in personal, but if you care, it's just a 50 that's in there now. All right, and I think I like this idea, just treating myself a little bit. All right, so gas. So I know you see a 20 here, but gas is actually empty. I just found out through my Discover card that they give us 2% cash back whenever we use it at a gas station. So I had put 20 on my Discover already, and I put that back in the bank. So I'm gonna also put this in the bank because I did fill up my gas tank. So gas is empty, so this just has to go in my bank account. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. But yeah, if y'all have a Discover card, or maybe your bank or credit card or whatever does that too. I didn't know that. I just found out. So that's what I'll be doing. Just putting my gas on my credit card and then just putting the money right back. It helps with your credit as well because they want to see you using your credit. So if you could just fill up your gas tank once or twice a month or whatever, however you do it, and then just put the money right back. But the goal is to put the money right back. Don't go spend your money. So gas usually gets 40. So gas is getting 40. And I did start going back to work, y'all. So that's why I feel like that's why my gas is like really getting used, because I did start going back to work in the building. All right, last one, miscellaneous has $1 left. So we're just going to put that to the side as well. And miscellaneous usually gets 20, but I'm not going to stuff miscellaneous. I'm going to explain why. I did pull the 20, but it's not going to go into miscellaneous for this week and for a little bit until I reach a goal for one of my sinking funds. Okay, so miscellaneous is leaving empty. I had to buy, I didn't forget that I have turtles, y'all. I just forgot that I have to buy them stuff. It's been a while. Usually their food lasts really long. So it wasn't on my radar to like buy turtle food. So that's what this went towards. So maybe I need to start a pet sinking fund for my turtles. Let's jump into our sinking funds. And let's go. All right, so our first one is car maintenance, and car maintenance is getting $20. And car maintenance gets 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 140. All right, hopefully y'all are having a good week. When y'all seeing this, it's Saturday, so Hopefully y'all are having a good Saturday, or whenever you see this, a good day. So car maintenance has 120. I'm not banging with daylight saving times, y'all. How about y'all? Like, I just, my sleep pattern been a little off since then. I'm trying to fix it. All right, so travel gets 40. Travel gets a 40. So let's see how much we have in travel. 100, 152, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 380. Y'all know I'm excited about this one. Like, I can see the clouds already. I can see the clouds. Okay. We traveling, honey. So travel, like I said, has 380. Emergency fund is our next one. So let's see how much we have in emergency. 20, 40. Ooh, you hear that, y'all? Real nice. You know, I love the sound of money. Anyway, 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. Oh, I'm all counting, y'all. Did I add the money? Sure didn't. All right, let's do it over, y'all. So emergency is 40. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 240. Oh. So 240 for our emergency fund. I'm gonna put that in there. I don't want to rip the money. All right, debt snowball. So I know y'all saw in my stimulus check cash stuffing, I had put 1,000 in here. It is still in here. I'm just gonna keep it in here until I do the closeout for the month, and then I will go ahead and put that in the bank. I'll probably film the closeout or something tomorrow, so I could just hurry up and pay off Best Buy. Okay. So in debt snowball, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1050, $1,100. And this is exactly how much I owe on my Best Buy. Probably with like 29 cents, but that's cool. I can give them 29 cents out of my buffer to pay that off, but it's bye-bye, okay? I am so excited. All right, so room decor is getting its regular 10. So a lot of y'all have been saying, like, if I'm not good with decorating, I should just, like, think of my theme and go on Pinterest. Yeah, but I'm so indecisive, y'all. I'm a Libra, so I'm so indecisive. But that's a good idea. Thank y'all. So let's see how much we have in room decor. 100, 120, 140, 150, and 160. Ooh. 160. Don't worry, y'all. It's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. So room has 160. Christmas is getting its usual 5. Christmas is getting 5. And like I said, I probably start stuffing this a little bit more when it gets to our like the summertime, you know, closer to Christmas. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, $40. Y'all, I thought about doing, like, swapping out my bills, but I'm like, I barely have anything in here. But I think I might still consolidate some of this during my sinking funds update. All right, medical. Medical gets its usual 5. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, $40. So, $40. All right. Birthday gets a... Okay, so remember I said that for my miscellaneous, I wasn't going to stuff miscellaneous. That's because I had bought my friend a birthday present, and it was like $100 and something. So we're trying to get that back so I can prepay myself. So I don't even want to be in debt with myself, y'all. I'm trying to pay myself back. Okay, so today birthday is actually getting the 20 that I would drop in miscellaneous, and then it's gonna get its usual $5. And I think so I spent about 120, so that's what I am going to pay myself back once I get there in my birthday money. All right, so right now, let's see, we have 50, 70, 75, $80. So we almost there. I just have to keep doing this, and then we can pay ourselves back. So birthday has $80. All right, 10K. 10K is a little hefty. I know for sure this one needs some consolidating. Y'all, I did order the 1K slips. They're just not here yet. They get in tomorrow. So 10K gets $385. So 300. This 50. So that's 350, 370, 380, and the 5. All right, we got a few more things left. All right, so let's put these in and see how much we have in 10K. And if you want to see like how I track my 10K, you can watch the stimulus cash stuffing that I did. I showed the tracker that I used. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $1,000, y'all. That is so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 657, 758. 859. I'm gonna move this out the way because I hate counting all them odd numbers. I can't. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,000. Let's do this 50 now. 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's that 2,100. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So $2,160. Wow. This is crazy. And I still need to add 150 to this so I can get all the way caught up. But y'all know, we're going to get there, sis. So we have $2,160 in our 10K challenge. That is so good, y'all. I'm glad I started this. It is growing really faster than I expected. I know like 10K, but I feel like it's growing so fast and we're only in March. See, you can't even fit in there that well. So I can't wait for my 1K slips to come in. And I'll just swap those out when I get to the my sinking funds update. So we did get paid from YouTube. So I paid my Canva bill out of my YouTube check, because y'all know I don't pay when I usually for YouTube stuff. I don't usually spend my own money. I spend my YouTube checks to buy anything or whatever subscriptions that I have. So I paid my Canva. So we got paid, I think like $350 something, but we're stuffing $344 because that's what was left after I paid the Canva bill. 1, 2, 3, 320, 340, 1, 2, 3, 4, 344. Now, some people were like, hey, you need a tax envelope for YouTube. Honestly, y'all, I'll just take it out of this. I'm not gonna create a new envelope for it just because the money will be here. I'll just pull it out of my YouTube envelope if I need to. But I am aware that I need to do taxes. Pay taxes. But I'll just take it out of this. And I do dib in sometimes to like buy stuff. So for example, I bought some stuff to do a try on haul out of this money. So I need to pay myself back. But y'all will see all of that in my sinking fund video. Let's see what my total is for YouTube. Why is there 20 in the front? Child. Tell me, okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 720, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. So $782. That's not bad at all. Thank you so much. Like, this is possible because of y'all, and I really do appreciate it. Honestly, I just take this money and I reinvest in my channel. So anything that I need, so SD cards, we run out of those like nothing. So all of that, I really do appreciate all your support. Keep watching the ads, sis. Let's not act like y'all ain't watching them ads, honey. All right, so let me write this down before I get into my little tangent. So 780, what was it, 82? All right. Thanks for watching them ads. Keep watching them, y'all. If they like 2 minutes long, run to the bathroom, run downstairs, go grab a drink, and come right back. Let them ads play. Okay? I'm not scared to ask you to let them play. All right, so remember that money that I had left over in the beginning? Right here. So this is where we're going to use these now. So we're just going to separate them really quickly. So basically, I am doing the $5 challenge and the $1 challenge, and also the leftover. But we really don't have any leftover money other than the 5 and 1. So leftover is still empty. I mean, not empty. Leftover won't be getting stuffed. So for my $5, I'm not going to count this. I'm just going to stuff it in here. I'll probably do a whole sinking fund count. Like sometime when we're halfway there. So probably like June or July. So I'm just going to put those 5s in there. I'm just going to put the 1s in here as well. All right. Come on. All right. And like I said, no leftover. All right. So the only other things are my coins. And I'm just going to empty these in my jar. And I will catch y'all again, I would say in April, but no, y'all, look how thick my binder is getting. Ew. So we probably do need to consolidate some of our bills. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like, sis, you keep coming back. Just subscribe. If you like the vibe over here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys, and happy budgeting.